I used to live in Amherst, Massachusetts. It's more of a rural area, and when I moved out here for college, the way I dress changed. But for me, I really wanted to see, well, how could I take a lot of that performance that I saw in the clothing I wore every day, like my athletic clothes that made me really comfortable. But as I had to start working in a more professional environment, how could I take that same comfort and bring it to that clothing? What I ended up doing is starting a new company. I started my last year of college with some of my classmates, and it's called Ministry of Supply. And what we do is we create dress clothes. So I'm wearing one of our shirts, for example, but that are made out of a lot of the same materials that you find in athletic wear. So the idea is that you can look professional, but feel just as comfortable as you're wearing your basketball sweats or like a hoodie. We spent a year doing a lot of research and design, and then we created this final product. And then we launched it on Kickstarter. And so what Kickstarter is, you basically ask people, will they fund you to help you, with the manufacturing? And as a reward for that, they often get one of the first products. So this is a video from our Kickstarter launch last summer, actually.
A typical workday morning. The commute, the summer heat. You walk into the office sweating, and it shows. Your body needs to adapt. Your current dress shirt just doesn't help. At Ministry of Supply, we're changing that. We're excited to launch the Apollo dress shirt. It's simply the most comfortable dress shirt you'll ever wear. To design the perfect shirt, we started from scratch. We needed something completely new. A high-performance fabric that dynamically adapts to your active lifestyle. So we went to the labs. As MIT engineers, we designed spacesuits that regulate astronauts' body temperature using what's called a phase change material. We used that same technology in the blend that became Apollo. We're literally taking technology from space and putting it in your shirt. Imagine you're outside on a hot day. Apollo has the power to actually absorb and release heat, like a battery. And by pulling that heat away from your body, it leaves you feeling much cooler. So when you get back into that AC'd office, instead of shivering, it releases that heat back to you. This keeps your skin 1 to 2 degrees closer to where it should be. This is huge. Staying active in our shirts is important. We went to the Sports Technology Institute in the UK to map how the skin of the body stretches. We designed our shirts to move in the same way, with just the right amount of flex. Apollo can handle the longest workday. It features an antimicrobial coating that kills odor-causing bacteria, and it keeps you dry, wicking sweat away in minutes. The shirt is also forever wrinkle-free, without the toxic formaldehyde used in regular, non-iron shirts. Apollo is the result of over a year of research and design. We developed over a dozen prototypes and fabric combinations to arrive at this incredible shirt. Style is an essential piece of Apollo. Our manufacturer in New York's Garment District works with Ralph Lauren and Express. Amazing craftsmanship. For the production of our fabric, we've partnered with one of the best textile mills in America. Their motto matches ours: fashion meets technology. Everything about our product, from the fabric to the labels to the packaging, is made in America. Spectacular quality.
At Ministry of Supply, we're revolutionizing business apparel.
And with Apollo, we can do that. Finally, a shirt that's cool, comfortable, looks great, and keeps you confident throughout your entire workday.
With the fabric formulated and manufacturing in place, we're ready to go. The money we raised on Kickstarter will help put Apollo into its first production run.
So join us by pledging, sharing, contacting us, and help us create the next generation of business apparel.
This is our website, ministryofsupply.com, and we make dress shirts, pants, and again, using that same process I talked earlier about, engineering design, understanding how the human body works, how we can make clothes that are more comfortable, using specialized materials like phase change materials, and yeah, we have a team of designers and engineers and marketers We're about 8 people. We're in downtown Boston, right next to South Station. Some people think you can start a company on your own, but it's really difficult. You need someone there with you, someone to bounce ideas off of and to really support you along the way. I was really inspired to want to become an inventor when my family and I, we went down to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, and I saw this like replica of the Wright Flyer, the first airplane, and then after that, all I could read for like 3rd grade, I just read books about the Wright brothers, and I really wanted to become an inventor after that. It's all about trial and error. Just choose a project you want to work on, and you can learn a lot on the way. Being an inventor, it's not, I don't think it's necessarily something you're born with. It's something you can learn to do.